Welcome back. Well, it's been almost 2 years since the cheetah set foot on India soil once again after a gap of several decades. Two batches of cheetahs who were flown in from Namibia and South Africa respectively, becoming the first cheetahs in these lands since the middle of the 20th century. It has been a bumpy ride so far with the new environment and blistering summer heat of central India and Madhya Pradesh, claiming that several adult cheetahs as well as their cubs. But now the number seems to have been rebounding. As per reports, there may be now over 25 cheetahs, with as many as half of them also being born here in India. In fact, the Kuno National Park is now spending over its cheetal population and is even planning to shift some of the cheetahs into different areas, alongside planning to also introduce cheetahs 300 kilometers away in Mandsaur. But amid all of these signs of promises, there is also a fresh controversy with regards to an RTI application that sought for more information related to the cheetahs and their management that has declined by the Madhya Pradesh Forest Department. The RTI applicant Ajay Dubey has been taken aback by the reasoning that has been given by the government. While declining the request, the authorities cited a section of the RTI Act that allows information to be withheld if it could be prejudicial when it comes to India's security or integrity or impact on relations with a foreign state. Here is what the RTI activist has to say over when it comes to the denial of his request for more information.
भारत में चीता प्रोजेक्ट के तहत जो कूनो में साउथ अफ्रीका और नामीबिया से चीते लाए गए थे और बहुत जल्दी मंदसौर में मिलाएंगे, उसमें हो रही अनियमितताओं को हमने हमेशा आरटीआई एक्ट की मदद से उजागर किया था। और ये ज़रूरी भी है क्योंकि चीता प्रोजेक्ट में जनता का पैसा लगा, ट्रांसपेरेंसी होना ज़रूरी है। अभी कुछ दिन पहले फरवरी में हमने आरटीआई की मदद से ही बताया था कि जो इंडिया की ज़मीन पे पहला चीता जन्म लिया था उसको फ्रैक्चर हो गया था बड़ी संदिग्ध हालात में, और उस पर एक्शन की मांग करी थी। उसके बाद से एमपी फॉरेस्ट जो है वो अपनी अनियमितताओं को छुपाने के लिए लग गया है और उसने हाल में ही आरटीआई का ये जवाब दिया है कि चीता प्रोजेक्ट के संबंध में जो भी जानकारी आप मांग रहे हैं वो हम नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि इससे कीनिया, नामीबिया और साउथ अफ्रीका से भारत के रिश्ते खराब हो जाएंगे।
Right, we have Govind with us because Govind, what is the correspondence record saying of the Madhya Pradesh Forest Department exactly? What could be the possible reason of denying such information?
It's not the first time, that anybody has put some RTI, in fact, to get the information regarding the project, the Cheetah project in Kuno National Park. Ajay Dubey, who is a well-known RTI activist, he just asked regarding the information of Tiger project in fact, Kuno National Park. Then Forest Department denied, in fact, sharing any information telling that this is a matter of internal information leakage. That's why the relations with Namibia and South Africa have broken down with our nation. So these kind of justifications has been given by in this letter, in fact, which has been replied by Forest Department to RTI activist Ajay Dubey. So this is what we can understand that means in the previous time, many times RTI was in fact used to take the information, but this time why they have denied and given the justification that this is the matter of national security support. So this is what a kind of denial from Forest Department of Madhya Pradesh to give any information to RTI activist Ajay Dubey, who is in fact alleging to the department that there is something or the other mishappening.
Well, of course, he's been raising the question that there is something fishy about this, because according to the RTI activist, he's been disclosing such irregularities in big cat conservation since 2013. But this is for the first time, probably, Swati, when he says that he's received a reply stating that the disclosure of such information about cheetahs will affect national security or foreign relations.
Through what the reply is and then what the act says. This is a reply to RTI activist Shri Ajay Dubey, and the last pointer in this reply is important, which cites 81A of RTI Act 2005. Let me read this out very quickly. It says, बिंदु क्रमांक 2 की जानकारी प्रबंध शाखा से संबंधित है, जिसमें उनके द्वारा सूचना का अधिकार अधिनियम 2005 की धारा 8(1)(a) के अंतर्गत जानकारी नहीं दिए जाने पर सहमति व्यक्त की है. So they are citing Article 81A of Right to Information Act 2005. Now let me take you through what that pointer says. This is what pointer 8A says. Information, disclosure of which would prejudice prejudicially affect the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security, strategic, scientific or economic interests of the state, relation with foreign state or lead to incitement of an offence. So notwithstanding any contained in this act, there shall be no obligation given to any citizen. So this is what point 8A says, that has been cited in that response to the RTI actors while declining the information that he is seeking.
All right, Swati, thank you for that update, because the first batch, if we talk about this entire project, 8 cheetahs that were introduced in September 2022, followed by a second batch of 12 cheetahs from South Africa in February. And the government, meanwhile, has also been planning to introduce cheetahs into fenced area of other wildlife sanctuaries as well. But this has been, as far as this entire project is concerned, the sensitivity that has now been attributed on withholding information, that apparently to the RTI activist has raised certain questions.